Want to unlock the secrets to rapid weight loss? These 5 game-changing methods will blow your mind. Don't miss out. The journey to your dream body starts now. FenQ, the fat-burning revolution you've been waiting for. Ever dreamt of a single pill that melts away fat, stops its production, crushes cravings, and keeps you energized all day? Meet FenQ, the ultimate weight loss solution. It's more than just another supplement. It's a complete approach to weight loss, promising transformative results. What does FenQ do? 1. Fat-burning powerhouse. Its thermogenic formula supercharges your body's ability to burn fat quickly. 2. Stops fat before it starts, prevents new fat from being stored, helping you stay lean. 3. Cravings? Gone for good. Say goodbye to late-night snacks and sugar cravings. 4. Energy boost. No more energy slumps. FenQ keeps you energized all day long. 5. Feel-good formula. Say goodbye to mood swings with its mood-boosting ingredients. The star ingredient, Elastase Reset, is the secret weapon, a patented formula that supercharges your metabolism and calorie burn. Combined with CAPS Hyax and chromium picolinate and chromium pilpilinate, you've got a fat-burning dream team. If you're sensitive to caffeine, you might feel a bit jittery, but don't forget, no pill is magic. Diet and exercise are still essential. Is it for you? Looking for a science-backed solution that targets fat, crushes cravings, and boosts energy? FenQ could be just what you need. It's like having a personal coach for fat burning, all in a convenient pill. Instant Knockout, your ultimate fat-burning champion. Tired of struggling with stubborn fat and low energy? Instant Knockout is here to change the game. This isn't your average fat burner. Made for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, it's a powerhouse designed to melt fat, curb your cravings, and give you the energy to power through your workouts. Ready to see if it lives up to the hype? Let's break it down. What does Instant Knockout do? 1. Fat melting machine. Turbocharges metabolism to burn fat like crazy. 2. Cravings? Gone. Blocks hunger, helping you stay away from snacks. 3. Endless energy. Keeps you energized all day. 4. Sharp focus. Stay motivated and focused even during those tough diet days. 5. Lean and mean. Helps you sculpt a defined, toned body. The secret ingredients, packed with fat-burning superstars. Keen Tink. Metabolism to burn fat faster. Green tea extract. Boosts fat loss and keeps you energized. Glucomannan. Helps curb hunger and keeps you fuller longer. Caffeine powers you up and burns more calories. Black pepper extract boosts nutrient absorption for maximum results. If you're sensitive to caffeine, this could leave you feeling jittery. Also remember, there's no magic pill. Diet and exercise are essential. Is it for you? Instant Knockout is perfect if you're serious about fat loss and need that extra boost to stay energized and focused. It's not a shortcut. Results come with hard work, but this pill can definitely help you get there faster. Instant Knockout, fat-burning powerhouse that does it all. Burns fat, kills cravings, boosts energy, and keeps you focused. Just remember, the real work starts with you. Saxenda, the secret to fast weight loss. Struggling with weight loss? Saxenda could be the answer. This prescription injection works by curbing hunger, making you feel fuller for longer, and helping you burn fat faster. It's not a quick fix, it's a game changer. How it works: inject Saxenda once a day and it'll suppress your appetite, helping you eat less and lose weight. It's clinically proven to boost weight loss when combined with diet and exercise. No more fighting hunger cravings. Some side effects like nausea and gastro discomfort may happen at first, but they're usually temporary. It's totally worth it for the results. Why choose Saxenda? It's your shortcut to losing more weight, controlling cravings, and boosting your metabolism. Ready to take control of your weight? Saxenda is the powerful solution you've been waiting for. Final thoughts. Saxenda is a clinically proven effective tool for weight loss. It works by reducing appetite, boosting metabolism, and helping you shed pounds faster. Take control and start your weight loss journey with Saxenda today. Qsymia, your ultimate weight loss weapon. And to shed those stubborn pounds fast? Qsymia might just be your secret weapon. This prescription pill combines 2 powerful ingredients, phentermine and appetite suppressant, that work together to help you burn fat and control cravings like never before. How does it work? Qsymia works by boosting metabolism and curbing hunger so you can eat less and lose more. Phentermine blocks hunger signals in the brain, while topiramate increases feelings of fullness. Benefits: makes 100% of your body weight quickly. Suppress hunger, making it easier to follow a diet. Clinically proven to help with weight loss when paired with diet and exercise. Side effects to watch out for: dry mouth, constipation, and dizziness. Serious side effects include increased heart rate and memory problems. Not for everyone. Don't take it if you have glaucoma or hyperthyroidism. Who's it for? Qsymia is perfect for people with a BMI of 30 plus or a BMI of 27 plus with weight health issues like high blood pressure or type 2 diabetes. How to use just one pill a day in the morning. Start slow to avoid side effects and make sure you're eating healthy and exercising. Qsymia isn't a magic pill. It works best when combined with diet and exercise, but if you're serious about dropping pounds, this could be your game changer. Wegovy, the ultimate weapon for weight loss. Say goodbye to stubborn fat with Wegovy. It's not your typical diet pill. It's a weekly injection that obliterates your hunger and keeps you feeling fuller longer. Thanks to semaglutide, Wegovy works directly on your brain to help curb those intense food cravings and make sticking to your diet a breeze. Weight loss has never been easier. Why Wegovy is a game changer. Wegovy supercharges your metabolism by blocking hunger signals in your brain, helping you to eat less and lose more. It's proven to help you shed significant weight, control cravings, and have better overall control of your diet. Oh, and it also reduces the risk of heart attack and stroke, making it a win-win for your health. The benefits you can't ignore: fuller, faster. Wegovy blocks hunger, making it easier to eat less and stay on track with your diet. Real result: Wegovy is clinically tested and proven to deliver long-term weight loss. Boosted energy. Many users report feeling more focused and energized throughout the day. Side effects? Don't worry, they're temporary. As with any medication, Wegovy may have some side effects. Some users experience nausea, stomach discomfort, or mild dizziness at the beginning, but don't worry, these side effects usually go away as your body gets used to the medication. How to use Wegovy? Using Wegovy is simple. Just take a weekly injection into your stomach, thigh, or upper arm. Over time, your doctor will adjust your dosage to ensure you get the best results possible. Bottom line, Wegovy is truly a game changer for anyone serious about losing weight and keeping it off. Pair it with a healthy lifestyle and watch the pounds melt away. It's time to transform your body and life for the better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it so more people can benefit. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you're always the first to catch our latest content. What do you think about these weight loss pills? Or have you tried any yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinion might just help someone else.